Okay, let's go walking with the folks. Lucy, what'd I tell you about that? Barkley, come on. Barkley, Barkley, come on. Come on, Barkley. Let's go. Barkley, let's go. Okay. Oh. They're pulling me. They're in a hurry to get back here. Okay, what I'm going to talk today on my video is this one doctor I have watched on YouTube. Dr. Mandell. His YouTube site is motivational doc. Anyway, he talked about thyme. He said if you want to get rid of mucus cough, you just chew on some thyme. I'll put this link in the description box if you want to watch it. But anyway, if you notice, I haven't been coughing like I used to from the mucus cough, because I've been chewing thyme once or twice a day. He said you take anywhere from a quarter to a half a teaspoon. You can do it as much as you want. And it's Thyme. You find it in a spice rack at the grocery store. Oh, you see a cat over there, huh? There's a kitty over there in that next yard. Barkley see a kitty. But that works really well. You don't hardly hear me coughing as much anymore. Come on, Barkley, let's go. Come on. Come on, Barkley, you can't have that cat. Come on, you guys are gonna trap me here. Oh. I'll fix you guys. Come on. Barkley, you can't have that cat. Well, that bird feeder's not going down too much anymore today anyway. It probably will later. It's too early in the day. Come on, let's go, doggies. Barkley, come on. You're not gonna bother that cat. No, Barkley, I told you no. We're not doing that no more. Let's go, Barkley. Come on. Come on. You too, Lucy. Giddy up. Don't do that. I gotta go around again. You guys are really... Anyway, thyme works really well to get rid of mucus cough. And it tastes good too. Makes your mouth taste good. But the thing about it though, you gotta brush your teeth before you go to bed really well, because it gets stuck in between your teeth. Well, what you guys doing? That cat probably was over here. They're sniffing for it. She didn't see the cat, but Barkley did. Let's go. Let's go. That's an ominous looking sky over there. They're saying about a week or two we might get some snow. Come on, Lucy. Barkley, you're gonna hurt yourself. Lucy, in the house, good dog. In the house, come on. Thanks for watching, folks.